friends, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download Rediff Mail on your Android. To learn how, watch the video till the end, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and press the bell icon for more updates from us. To download Rediff Mail on your Android, go to your Play Store and type in Rediff Mail. From the search result, tap on the install button to start downloading. After it is done with the download and installation, tap open the app, allow access to the photos, medias and files on your device, accept the terms and conditions, and sign in to your mail account. Well, that is how you can download Rediff on your Android easily. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions or feedbacks. I'll be back again with another video soon. Thank you for watching.